This is just a quick tutorial for how to install the Wacom drivers for a Intuos tablet or whatever on Mac. Be warned, I think you'll have to restart your computer at least once or twice in this, so just make sure you have everything saved. So basically go to the drivers website, that'll be in the description, and click download on the Mac driver. Confirm download. Also, probably don't have your tablet plugged in at the minute. Okay, so now open your download wherever you save that to. Double click the DMG file and double click this .package file. And now you'll be in the wizard. You just agree to the terms if you agree to them. Just don't worry about where you install it to. You'll need to type in your password and just wait for it to do all the scripts. Okay, at this point it's going to say the installation is successful, and this is where you're going to have to restart your computer. So I'll see you then. Okay, I'm back. I forgot to mention, if you get a pop-up asking you to move something to the trash, you can totally do that. It's just the installer file. It'll just save you some space, and it's not important. Basically, you're going to get 3 apps in this little folder. You don't really need to use these. Just go up to System Preferences, and if you're plugged in, it'll bring that, but yeah, you're probably not plugged in, so do that now. It'll come up, and it should work right away now. One thing I sometimes do is I switch around the right click and the scroll, just if it's more comfortable that way. But other than that, you're done.